Hi friends, today I want to show you these wine glasses. Came in this box and came 6 wine glasses. Let's go open it. See, this is the wine glass. As you can see, have the perfect size. Have this design in this part that is beautiful and unique. Are resistant and have in different colors. Have this blue, this purple, pink, green, red, and this yellow. So as you can see, these wine glasses are beautiful and are perfect for impress your guests in a dinner or in the Christmas dinner in a party. So I highly recommend these glasses for your kitchen and your friend nights.